In this video, you will learn how to delete an extension from Google Chrome web browser. Recently, I found out that vidIQ is conflicting with YouTube, so I want to remove it. Maybe later I will reinstall it. The first step is to launch a web browser. As your browser opens, click on the three dots here, alright? And then select the option that will allow you to remove it, and which is extensions. On clicking on extensions, select manage extensions. Now, when you get here, you will see this button. You can turn it off, but here I want to remove it entirely. When you turn it off, you can turn it on, but let's delete. So click on remove. Then this will pop up say remove vidIQ version for YouTube. Click on remove. It will take you to a new page, maybe asking you a question on why you want to go. Let's wait. It says, we are sorry to see you go. Click here to restore vidIQ. No, I don't want to click anywhere. So let me close this. And you can see it's no longer in the extension section. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. A product is displayed on this screen. It is one of my products. So when you click and buy, you are supporting this channel. When you get to my store, you can still check other products. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.